All right, I'm in my hotel room getting my right hip replacement evaluation in the morning. I'm meeting with my surgeon and I am in this killer Radisson suite. Check this out. Amazing. Amazing. Seriously? Y'all, I remember staying in some bad roach motels. Anyway, so right now I'm about to do the 5-minute workout. Remember? 5 minutes is better than no minutes. And I decided I'm just going to do, I think I'm going to do, if that'll sit there, I'm going to do some push-ups and some tricep dips. We'll just start with the tricep dips. Right, this is what you do in a hotel room. Just do tricep dips. This isn't even going to be 5 minutes probably, but I got to get my workout in, and I don't feel like going to the gym, but I'm doing 5 minutes. Do as many as you can here. Like, I'm feeling that right now. I'm really feeling that in my triceps. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. Squat, squat, squat. Stand up. All right, I'm going to do maybe burpees, I don't know, but I'm going to do, let's see, is this going to play well? Let's see, can I do push-ups? Yeah, I'm going to do some push-ups. By the way, meditation is part of working out. Chill out, y'all. Just chill out. I just happen to have this t-shirt on. Take a deep breath and enjoy yourself. All right. All right, I'm gonna do, I think 20 push-ups. Let's see if that happens. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Oh, upward dog. Do your stretches too. Upward dog. Downward dog, stretch it out. All right, now I'm planking and I'm gonna push up. All right. Oh no, okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm not feeling that. That was 14. Okay, 15. I just did 25. 16. 17. 18. 19. Good grief. I thought I was going to do 25. I really thought I was going to do 30. Oh my gosh. Some days are better than others. Ow. All right. Whoa, I barely got 20 push-ups. Well, I don't want to say my defense, but I did 25 earlier, but like this morning. Whew, thought I was going to. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I got a quick stretch in. I did some tricep dips, and I did the push-ups. 5 minutes is better than no minutes. Y'all have a good day. Wish me luck. My right hip replacement evaluation by the surgeon in the morning is 9 o'clock tonight, and then I'm meeting him at 8:30 a.m. I'll give you an update. Y'all be good.